Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of meditation. If you're a beginner and have been feeling curious or just not sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about starting a meditation practice. We'll explore different techniques, share practical tips, and answer common questions so you can feel confident and empowered to begin your meditation journey today. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant chatter of your mind? That's where meditation comes in. It's like hitting the pause button on the remote control of your mind, allowing you to step back from the chaos and find moments of tranquility. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can have a profound impact on both our mental and physical well-being. When we are stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. Our heart rates increase, our breathing becomes shallow, and our muscles tense up. Over time, this constant state of stress can take a toll on our health. Meditation helps to counteract these negative effects by activating the body's natural relaxation response. When we meditate, our breathing slows down, our heart rate regulates, and our muscles relax. This physiological shift allows our bodies to rest, repair, and rejuvenate. Regular practice has been shown to reduce anxiety and stress, improve focus and concentration, and boost self-awareness. Imagine feeling calmer, more centered, and more in control of your emotions, even in the midst of life's ups and downs. So if you're ready to unlock the power of meditation and experience its incredible benefits, join us as we dive into some simple yet effective techniques. Mindfulness meditation is like dipping your toes into the present moment, becoming fully aware of the here and now without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting carried away by them. Think of your mind like a flowing river. Often we find ourselves caught up in the current, swept away by the endless stream of thoughts and emotions. Mindfulness meditation is about finding a quiet spot on the riverbank where we can simply observe the water flowing by without getting swept away. To begin your mindfulness meditation practice, find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a cushion on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. The most important thing is to keep your spine straight, but not stiff. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Don't try to change it in any way, simply observe it. As you focus on your breath, you'll notice that thoughts will arise. It's completely natural. Don't judge yourself or try to push the thoughts away. Simply acknowledge them like passing clouds in the sky, and gently guide your attention back to your breath. You can also bring your awareness to your senses. Notice any sounds you hear, any smells you detect, any sensations you feel in your body. The key is to observe these sensations without getting carried away by them. If you find yourself getting lost in thought, don't worry. Just gently guide your attention back to your breath or any other anchor you've chosen. The more you practice, the easier it will become to tune into the present moment and find stillness amidst the chaos of daily life. Loving kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation, is a powerful practice that helps us cultivate compassion, kindness, and acceptance towards ourselves and others. It's about opening our hearts to the world with love and understanding. Imagine a world where compassion and kindness were the guiding principles in our interactions with ourselves, with others, and with the world around us. Loving kindness meditation offers a path to cultivate these qualities within ourselves. To begin, find a comfortable seated position, just like in mindfulness meditation. Close your eyes gently and bring to mind a feeling of love and compassion. You can start by directing these feelings towards yourself. Repeat phrases like, "May I be well," "May I be happy," "May I be peaceful," "May I be free." As you repeat these phrases, really feel the meaning behind them. Allow yourself to be filled with love and compassion. Once you've cultivated loving kindness towards yourself, you can gradually extend it outwards. Bring to mind someone you love dearly, like a family member or close friend. Repeat the same phrases, directing them towards this person. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be free. Next, bring to mind a neutral person, someone you see often but don't know well. Repeat the phrases, extending your loving kindness to them. Finally, extend your loving kindness to all beings everywhere. Visualize the entire planet and all its inhabitants, sending out waves of love, compassion, and peace. The more you practice loving kindness meditation, the more you'll notice these qualities showing up in your daily life. Body scan meditation is a wonderful practice for developing body awareness and releasing tension. It involves systematically bringing your attention to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations that are present. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to become disconnected from our bodies. We spend hours hunched over screens, rushing from one task to the next, and often neglecting the signals our bodies are sending us. Body scan meditation offers a way to reconnect with our physical selves, cultivating a deeper sense of awareness and presence. To begin, find a comfortable lying down position on your back. You can lie on a yoga mat or on your bed with your arms resting by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes gently and begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen as you inhale and exhale. Once you feel settled, bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations you feel in your toes. Are they warm or cold? Can you feel the fabric of your socks against your skin? There's no need to judge or analyze, simply observe. Slowly move your attention up to your feet. Notice any sensations in your feet, such as tingling, pressure, or warmth. Continue moving your attention slowly up your body, spending a few moments with each body part. Notice your ankles, your calves, your knees, your thighs. As you move your attention, imagine your breath flowing into each body part, bringing with it a sense of relaxation and ease. Continue scanning your body, moving your attention up your torso. Notice your stomach, your chest, your back. Observe any sensations without judgment. Bring your attention to your shoulders, noticing if they feel tense or relaxed. Scan your arms, your elbows, your wrists, and your hands. Finally, bring your attention to your neck and your head. Guided meditation is like having a personal meditation teacher right by your side, leading you through a specific meditation experience. It's a great option for beginners who may find it helpful to have some guidance and support. Think of guided meditations as training wheels for your mind. They provide support and structure as you learn to navigate the inner landscape of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. There are countless guided meditations available online and through apps, covering a wide range of themes, lengths, and styles. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve sleep, increase focus, or cultivate self-compassion, there's a guided meditation out there for you. Finding the right guided meditation is like finding a good book or a favorite song. It's a personal preference. Experiment with different teachers, voices, and styles until you find what resonates with you. Once you've found a guided meditation you'd like to try, find a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed. It could be in your bedroom, living room, or even outdoors in nature. Get cozy. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels most comfortable for you. If you're sitting, make sure your spine is straight but not stiff. If you're lying down, you can rest your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes gently and begin to listen to the guidance. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on mindfulness and well-being. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, start small, and celebrate your progress along the way. With dedication and an open heart, you can experience the transformative power of meditation and unlock a world of peace, joy, and well-being.